bia muno murigereria so kwandira ko ba muno intwe ya Bango Africa as a uncensored weekly dose. We coming back again na one of the chief producers wa music chingara chuko guskabu oyo gochirosia sense ya audio ndaye gumukwanira mono ndaye temori bage ateberningo in his own words the best way you can jengoro kunyaswabu Obed lakini rendera bokono kunyaswabu. I'm the host of the program. Karibuni sana. Bia mona sogo chase the weekly uncensored dose.
Bia man.
Bono nda to about the music dosage. We've missed for a while. Alright, we want to talk about music because I know you are an audio producer and for some time kwara very in this game. Kole introduce camera yao ni.
Okay.
Yes.
Nchesa Marieta yekebande konkoroku Boaz Areri na tata gakoroku Mugeni mamoroku Mariam seitombo nchali ogiakumu bomwanda elieta liokoliera Dr. B
Ngai kikwa ikana sababu kamwa koroka doctor tuiro get engineer architect
kero koligereri no nenchera nkolirikerie eteri tindikoririka doctor ya daktari yongorika doctor yegeswahili go doctor kia inerga tiau nerieta liobosani tu na enderieta ri nabantu bachagete kondangeringa doctor enchera nange ko babugeri go musiki onto teba ya no munyagitari onenje ngarango libeka kiusani egereri be the sound doctor lakini ko litegerie kire DOKTA B Boaz B is for Boaz. Yeah.
Sawa. How long have you been in the music game?
Asini ninta yabe korungi boru.
No, it's possible.
Yeah.
Because if you've been doing around the music for that time, you're still
professionally elibanongo tebangise ko tegungareta na nechigasi okorete. Yongo chako bara kuru 2012. Ikaboniga. Lakini kimuziki na very in the music world kuru nangi nyorete. Kuru sababu ngo bwana bura yinyore. Because kero koligereri kagerete ngo igumure kwa yeri kuru kumwabo kono. Bateretenga amabera yo monene.
Yes.
Gose omwana Nyasaye tarenge
ngirende moko muboli.
Ekwa yeri ne yanka ye family. Bali mbabo tata na mama nichi anti chiane nichi yanko nichi sokoro na abande chikazini baje tamo
it's
a family choir.
Good to know. Ngai mwaji that's very interesting. Ngai mwaji
Those songs
what happened?
They were practicing from our home Kabono Tonka no so practice
no that music especially kibako boli mwana Nyasaye. That song was nice. In general, we really KBC Kisumu. My grandpa na bwate radio. Na nyita matangazo ringa boneke kusiye kire mbekere.
Kwabuga.
I used to listen. Nagego rangu inyorete.
That choir was strong by then. Lakini wana bantu bachite bakaba busy in other ways because yoroche by then yabantu mbalengange. Ono as time went by kwanyora anko ndonyorire mere mu Nairobi ochire nero linge ko wiki go sene keyboard oyo ndonyorire mere mu Mombasa ochire nero lingo yeyita soloist ochire mache ngumbu kwa hiyo kaenda hiyo by the time bono ndukina wiko chake nando kubwati story ngaimwe ikerete na ndo chake ko liya abantu babwata interest na ndo bairani so that's how kirete
mwe ko ya veke video by
any
chance
kire chibicha lakini bono the lady soloist nero nyabegete aenda kayaoni unayaye yeah naroro nari YouTube kero ko yari YouTube boko yanyora na erietari soloist koro Doris yeah
that music was good.
Yeah
Music. So you have a history of music in your family.
Erora manyinga ime.
Apart from you, because even I am manyete. Ngona ande within your family. Or born in the music limelight even at the moment?
Koiguro monto koiguro gotera koiguro kunguka Nyambu kangotara ngaumere Nyambu.
Yes.
Orie matere, that's my uncle.
Matera
Matera kwaye yunero ringe kobugi na composition. Ere no ali mpaka bon. He's a producer, he's based in Kitale. Yeah.
The man out of Kisii. Na you're in a family na?
In a family, omugako minto ngobugi ari gitagia base. Kero chikwa achira ari bataeto monto kobugi. Na bongo motebi nganchu. Nenche namwa namulika. Amataimbugeria ya base yeyu.
So he's good with the guitar.
Guitar kobugi mpaka next.
Tali
basic yoka. Solo guitar, rhythm guitar na bass. Is all round. Nche nkorangeria kirari session omorigereria alafu ono kurwa bumaka batainero yo lengi. Yeah.
So you've been in the music professionally for almost 14 years, eh?
Yani buyabia for 2012. That is 14 years now. Kero toko barampako yo tole bono.
Kero bako likalinge CV tunataka mtu
experience.
Qualify.
Ngethani tikwanza.
Ulianza na music ya kanisa yoka or you?
Yani
there's an old saying, the best way to learn something, know your practice ya kanisa.
And that is true.
Yes.
That is true because no irana iskoga igoligi no embabo Sauti Sol tigante for example. You'll find that their music roots erwete kanisa. I grew up in a Christian family.
Yes.
I am still in a Christian family. And that's where I learned most of my things. Kobuge keyboard ye kanisa. Gotere choir. Choir ngotera ndi.
Baka bono.
Oni gana rinta atere actively. But in my youthful years.
Video nero.
Ngoko ande link ya wika tosha yase.
Sawa. Tindiko yeweka andega.
Osiriri bono. Meteo monta. Mbaisa ko trend.
Okay.
Yeah. Na no go fix it ni na inge go fix it ni such video. Kare chia gospel.
And then what do you do specifically bono as at now? You narrow it down to instruments and Kerora say machine, what do you do?
I would crown it before I break it down. Inchene producer, a music producer, and audio music producer.
Yes.
Keroko ye break down nko buginde keyboard, no mo buginde we keyboard. Ko rande programming. Meto ko buginko bakole tofauti na programming. Egitanko buginda asinini. Ngoko rande songwriting. Kurari kanda matero iga monto nabagoche studio atabwatio hotero na mulikira. Ngoko rande gento gekoro ku backup vocal singing. Kero ko keiri kurunga BGV background vocalist.
Rio hotero.
Nko temande hotero onsi. Koru soprano otirimboke mpaka bass. Now that depends on the song.
Okay.
Ni ndu example. For example, kero gotegera matera yo moterio kuruku Bernard Riziki. Amalio ya yo akonya kumuita biri kurumaega. Oli ninje.
Okay, I didn't know that.
Yeah, that's an example. And then from there, go korande gento yo kuruku composing. Talibono songwriting, composing. No monta go chabwa togotera. Apart from beat making, it was a programming. Na ende na batoko rearrange na motebiga. Kwa nge gotera iga. Ireta ebe bridge, ebe hook, nini. Egero gotero kwarete sura.
So far so good. What's your biggest hit? So gotera kuria gote abango korokwo. Na koroseti. At the moment, like if somebody yani you call first reference
yeah
the best thing you want koro monda ko bowling ntumerangia sample
kuna kunkora batugutagan I think na mange tinko nyara go point komo lakini nabongo ya name kero korigeri ni cultural music ali urban lakini yakare makubamba ekionki ekyo gante bejo enyange narora
you did that okay
gose gesongo twamanyire gosoma ngo cha country music nimbuate farikei gotera nkore koria tete gwe Christmas kugakuma sana gose koroka tete nga never totago te never grow old. Ngo suka korua sare ngiche Bernard Riziki maambie ngia okay also pick that and then ngo suka maatake ngiche oligererie muntu guna migi gotera ngore kwa nyangira Nyangira is I think one of the latest songs for around 6 months old. Na koro kungo gugate picking ya erengia na wango kobeka as a list. And so many others. Ndara ikilia. So you've done all this. I think that's a good reference. Have you ever had the biggest challenge kwanyoro, especially when you come down Makubamba sings cultural music tumazinga kingo category music ya neo cultural
and then the what literia machi meino what music
that's a traditional one pure traditional it's cultural pure.
Where do you get these sometimes if kusingira moko beka mari ngemoji mwanya warapinta biri
now
they come with it, do you assist them
most of the time or a larger percentage no musani ogocha no gotera for in this case yo monto kuna Makubamba na maite kulika matera sana erega gocha na matera oli igete ono ne linda ruta idea nke ngaga koraiga nke igo same thing no ombiro nere no musani one I could have mentioned him earlier ne baba bange ogorigeri ombire nyangi ono nero gotera ajubono pure traditional so I think most of or all of his songs are own composition lakini mbali naende bagocha kwanyora bagotera main liboni main menyene muntu guna MCUV riranya
yes
kera chiri toko record most of his music ga ko arrange from main kusama chisimbora matera ali makuru unyareta bona nchina ya kunire beat arete sura
beat bokano mbora alia tumaso kwa record yo sani ko bugiongengo se kwerende liga other traditional instruments ngakyo record yo bokano because bokano ni ma thing
mbobu ati so iwaya keyo keyboard
iwaya te yo ko bata why go chi how do you do that
there are people who have improvised asa bako bugie muntu kuna ratai ngagire tenero mumanyite so is also a good artist is under my no moiga asia maboka nenere obokano no obuaye
tere bintu fani sana
he is creative in that way and it's working for him obokano no obuaye na chita kali skills and very skilled bakamubekera so kobeke waya so when you record it a jack pin yoga ngobeka se mixer iga na record but otherwise generally abantu kunombiro abantu kuna Dante mambo kero bachire goikankore gento ikorkunga miking ngotumia chi mic echi studio kera ikaransire buya very comfortable na makoligina inche bona sinkobeke mic yane sometimes na ngotumia up to 3 microphones
that sound is too clean
you just have to make sure it's clean I won't know igasianere
clean that because keronko na do kwa naiga if these mics these ones are good they pick but you go record maybe was nesimo another mic ya kawaida will be noise
ebintu nebinge so naende bona abuno igasiane go chiabera yabinge go se aba relevant we have learned about mic techniques positioning enjero go tumie mic Ai na bora tumie yo record otuara a lot of noise lakini nchonge the same mic and the same room lakini nkoe kasi so clean mpaka oteba ya enteke go ikoga tumiete AI. Yeah.
And then you have choirs.
Sure.
I've seen choir chikero when most of you record choirs. I've seen moko and mwa record abana bande kobwaki baratera oseri ogiki bakorari ogiki. You've done choirs, right?
Sure.
A good number.
Actually naende nchengse kueteba. I'm diverse. Chikwaya mbwate chinyingi kwanza. A good number.
Do you have a prejudice inganje no chikwa just DA nyine chaka?
No.
Yarutheran.
I've just branded myself to fit in everyone's shoe.
Toliko mathers diendo wate our way of music.
Machiko nari.
Machiko naro ne way of singing naro. Catholic mbabwate keyboard kyabo the way they do it. So gojoro kwa banyora banda bonsi.
Abo bonsi mbabigete entigati. Because I have invested most of my time for being skillful as a chinchere chichonsi. Kero aba SDA bachire with their work. Ni understand it na ende ni maite bunanko bakoraki. Bunanko babugeri. Mpakeso. Togo cha Catholic kenanda kia bango tuara kiri chikodi sana. Bono ngo tigero mwalimu wabobuya nje nabe kachikiki na gofilie bintu biri konyora tichitarumbeta igita nini ebichuli ko cyani naba icholeri. Gochimoyino.
What was the biggest challenge as a recording, especially a large number of people?
Most as a large groups unachikwa yecho. You see kwaye kiro montole kwaye gamine tinga ngote na manyete gotera. Ende ne sirinda kwa ndiko bataira kirete yankwana.
Tuate abana uncensored.
Yeah, kiro monto na mine tinga na manyete gotera. But when a challenge ya nkombera kero ya ikire because nche tindi wanchanga ngechi monto. Maite chi producer ntobwate chitabicheito. Mbale bako ganinga I want the best and I don't care how you feel. Kako igunga gwatelirobe soka abande mpaka bagotuge kalinga na liritorasi nyogotaino no muntu nga uri antebiga batimbali naende bunanje muntu tindi gotaka omontaru mwane go se studio kagechiri yongo takero montaru oro kari kaisanigete ekikiangire studio na akora. So we have a way, or I have a way of grouping these people so that we get to satisfy everyone, but na inchenyore the best voices that I need. Yeah.
Because naro dire kwerende ye karongo kora video shooting. I've seen so konyore choir, I think Dr. B Tom Marora. But he was the best dressed, he was the best groomed at that point. I say akorokana, you don't have an alternative.
Yeah.
Ono kwatigara sigetigo
ogo sinyunga kibono ngokora
batero chairman bwe kwa yanga yaya muntu ntomutageti osaba yanga bekeroyo noyo maybe kitari akwa master
akutarabwata agotakuno mono kabisa
ona alia saba dumo akuri omono ono you know it's a tussle.
Yeah,
so ngina ngara kora ko borio. Let's come back to Musikio Gusii. Musikio Gusii has shifted. I was talking na your fellow producer Kurukupinto.
Yeah, sure.
In an earlier podcast. Musikio yoito change over time. Kurumo gaka babo manyonjo bagaterire. Bagaka bali babarisi sababu binte binge bya onchore no ne chikwaya. I could remember kwaya unanyanchonali. Negita bakabugiri. How much has this affected music in general? Kuru, you're shifting kuru traditional to the modern music.
Yuntetenya approach kabiri. Yeah. Ntetenya approach kuru amatera yechkwaya sana. Maiko ira na band.
Yes.
Na solo artists.
Solo artists.
For choirs, I think again to change to the positive is the improvement. My teliri no ne kerongo kina kerondo moke. Kerongo tema ko inyora. Abantu no ne chikonu bagachire studio ko bugie konu ekebuyu. Noroche ekebuyu kerikyo ngonda.
Nere kuno baga.
Nere kuno monta chane kete ekebuyu kerito ko chira roche. Na kie kiki. But boni ga ikirase no ne beat ere keyboard kere gento kiroro. Yeah, there is that advancement. There before kero monta chire studio go bainge go ito gotera kuruguru mpaka anse. Nyagwasira gwasirire. Nyamwa bwate besa chiyo ko iroro gotera okukwara chire.
That's why gotera ngoro como kwalisi. I think
batakuneta mangana segete.
Statement ya goteba niye kunyebwati to jeri bara gotera ago tere gente que unando kirora. Egao kwana the second sentence ni gente
kia. Yes. Yeah, because alia ringe ni kupimana na masa.
Gotera kukwa kero kurangiri musubati bacha bonsi. Gotera sikumbuki naitwa ngaje.
Ndoche ningo igwetera kini taito tinda.
Gotera kulia rangiri tie nyarukeje amogorera soda bakamanya gocha bonsi.
Bagacha
Ne basani bae. Ne basabu atene there's somewhere akomisie mangana gete. Yes.
That narrows down to kare gasi enge gokoru abantu bainkorigeri ne chinsa ne chiwe sobugate more than ekwende the final product. Now if you study further no energy choir chiga ebaga practice it. Let me give an example of that home choir mwabokono. Ebaga practice it even to 4-5 months daily bagutimuka usana matukabere bamanya kogende studio ko record bagoike studio ne marathon emobekeire zile compact cassette chiarenge either 30 minutes 45 go 60 ne rinere go determine chinsa makobere studio. So onye matera ino kare 60 minutes emoko enda ne ya 60 mwacha akoria batetensa iguraringa twachakire saina igoro korua bugo chimotu onye mogo sira parawa mogo akana ense ya momo akana go seneri bumbiri go seneri go semia tan depending in the studio. So that was a challenge ekero compare na boniga na bikwa ego che studio baikaranza we perfect song after song ne irakoru maambisa moja mpaka botuko sasta konyo by the time bakororo gaskere perfect itabwati magoso.
So ilikuwa technology tape ilikuwa record right.
Eri naboko right but koko right it means imefuta ingine yote.
So the original is gone.
So you have to be sure korubuna bata record kelimo batera you have to be very sure. Oyo gosiraga tigo mwarachi.
Squeezing ngoja bale studio that way. I've seen some artists back on the nesim yoko nyorali agagotera.
Abandi ne bitabu.
Some compose while singing.
Sure. I think because of technology. Boni gomate computer na bonko record iringa neli meli mpaka otero kobe. And that happens. But also because I also deal with choirs, there are those who come well prepared, very much prepared. No any session ya boko mate mostly kwa abuna nje. I take like 8 to 10 hours to record the album
like you around age.
But wano kwa nyona bari very prepared. Iyo design ya kitambo moko ira 6 hours mwako session yani ya undi dio bairo rete mpaka chiteki sato inye lakini moko rete within that time because they are very prepared.
You've talked about genres cha music. Korogo shift from production now as you are a musician. There are no what is career
Makega.
Ngiwa tigre to gotera was
again tonkere bao chibate banga yani kuna ile unashindwa ku handle two things at a time now because basically wana unanje na focus more into commercial production. Ekagera nimbu ngodildi na choirs, ngodildi na bands, ngodildi na single artist. Bono kwanyora chinsa no ne chio kora my own composition and stuff. Chiaba chinke. I did a few songs back then keroli bagari aringe kwancha ngaikase gete nkaratiga asigenjo yo kuyagacha ninjerende ndararosi nibo ibere isato but rendo mwaka oyo ninde shwanko ira nando bosani ko bando musani nando mokongo.
Are you going to produce yourself or so kolikina producer endo motenga bono nchundosi?
I'd say much of the work nje nda bengwe korera, lakini I will involve other producers esengencho ya diversity. Egere nanje feeling matera alia nanja sound a sound ye touching out ninde.
What's your take on like music ya kina Migi? Urban music. What's your take on their the way they took it? From around Ntuarwara and Migi Nipenya Unyo, music ya has shifted too much. Ona alitu akatumira makwani wakatera ime.
It's crazy aiko.
What's your take on that shift?
For me, I think it is a positive thing. It is a good thing because kero koligere liko chakera tigandaru example kiani kero na chagete production na chagete na bangwa na bakoro ku urban artists na bwate bakebenga kiyo ntuarate sete sanu chiwe siegesa minto abandi bakaenda mpaka mambo mseto baraterete togacha nendo moskio usi kento ngire kwenye totaranyora kikacha kigatoka na a new age of artists and producers. Bone kero giache gente kikiabe kiro muziki ogusi as a map. This urban gusi music. Iwe ni gospel, iwe ni secular. Kiabe kiro muziki ogusi as a map. Bone you can walk ogende no Mombasa. Wika Mombasa koko tebangu sinaru. Kwa nyoro muntu naro yomo manyite either babji gose makubamba gose Migi gose nonya lavi gose limi but there is a time kwenko enda kisi kwa nyara uko boli kwa kusibona basa nikimubwate
Mate ntururu yo.
Na sometime hata hiyo pia labda hata iko inajulikana maybe abantu bamate baba monyoncho bali baba nyanga uyegetonto.
Ono nkoboliga Vinto told me we don't have the words used. Do we, from your perspective, do what musiki yako identified exclusive as he was referring? You might no hangla.
Yeah.
Unaga introduction ya chaka.
Kwa manyire ambogere tole.
Moino. Baluya bago chaka sukuti yabo na baga kunaiga kwa manyire. Mukamba kako bugie gitakeli. Hata nini? Naona kale. Even the Mugiti. Don't know about that uniqueness in our music.
I think I will support him. We have done very well kimuziki identity ntora yenyore. Ukanobo tabuge tiande tiyo libono muntu tali kumanyanga yengusi. So basically the identity ya itonobo kano lakini I just think ndani ya the rest of the world ama the rest of the country una for example rigereri una gwateba bogerejo ogende no kwa Masai ebiti neri banyora ne biti ya tari sana kuruche kurua Masai abaturukana oenda kogende biti ya tari nende ya babogoiribye so na into as kisses timaitinga no kanobo togo chakobogoli to chaego beka CGBT ende yonsi ko gichobo kanobweta egere tonyore identity
aikia basane baraba goteba from kero mokora kwana was it the
I think ya basani abange ebaligereti ninki kiramwa gache kwanza as an individual before baligereringa nikikera gache music yeito so everyone is trying their own way to make their music and be in the map and build themselves until tonyore for example to irane maegake producer nari nsigete sana okoro kwa Gusto nachite netachigete
Yes.
etachi yatemire gutara yatemire koba ya hold iri muziki ogusi sana lakini bado maito ikase getobukia matera ayo muntu kwanza akorabwika niko chi Uganda darachaka gotera na ndiko magonyora ndike gusie kigete kibwika ine ke Uganda nawe ndiko anyara mpaka wikote yayo no muziki oseito so we ntoranyora identity ngiya gototebia ngantu no muziki ogusi
See, at the moment, the producers very more on the limelight. No? Have you ever thought of having maybe a discussion around the table? No? We as producers, I want to musicians. We need our voice.
We tried.
Anyway, as you answer that,
Yeah.
You know the relationship. Use mwanga ine. Ogo igonga Dr. Bingo etare. Oh.
Kwara yake metime. That I think yes say to bagusi. Ntobwate challenge number 1, let me admit. Ntora ikase togo cha moiga totebenga Dr. B. Nchu na Vinto, nchu na maybe Pif King. To ikaransa moiga. Toka map nige to dan to are discussion yego build music yezo. Ntora ikera. Na bakonyoro maybe nje bunandega mbugate ka nkorogite kuigu kose na igu kose ngo kose tutebe kose no bed na igu nga muntu ikwanza no ataringe konya kwa production nki akora utuzariri kose nerigori kose irire customer abandi kwanyora kose maybe na produce ri umusanige teiga kagosoka igo terwa igo kuigwekana kwanyora bono nyarebe nero chire uchakire gomotenga kwanza mungwano itamaiti production inchunkorosa ri ninje manyete unajua we have that kind of relationship na endete ikuagacha
Waga na makini.
Yeah, teri kuagacha nche na experience taringa ngo yekwana go sitting nche na it's because I've experienced na nyorete one time umusanike ka chaka kontengo manyete na etatigete na igoterekire monto tebanga no kubuga mungwano nengo monyorase no ne sumu na ngo mubekera araku.
Okay, that was serious.
Bono ngorigireri monto oyo taringa no kuumira na tuumira nire somebody na njengo moigwanga omonto naro karase getokor kunyarebe ngire teiga kyake oyo ndenera gacha mungwano nchetimu anchetiori unajua and these are people I have never met. I just hear them. They are in the industry. And this is there.
Wasani ama ni maproducer?
Baburukaine. Bandi na basani. Bandi na producer.
Ngimoko buna. What do you do?
Bono mpaka ikabitire rincha yo kora research. Mpaka naende ngaratewa kusia ito naende. Iganto kendere boli. We have that kind of umonta we create a beef from nothing. Naende yaba. Naende kwanyora bono buna yake no bwati following yao. No bwata bantu kete bagusigete. Wa mweri monga Jeff tarimuya. You see these others mbata itiko kogechi ono bagakoraki
bagumwanga sengenjo mwanga.
Yeah. And until when we change that mentality as abagusi and I say that
I want you to address them directly.
And I say that esengencho na temire ko work na basani bande kurua sechi county chinde go say other regions.
Yes.
Mpaka kerotora ikaranse chi beef chirio ganyoro bugate ngabono nimbugate beef na Vinto onyebeke kando onyetike isiko moso esega as professional mo gosoanga Vinto rete kiki kerikiao Dr. B rete gita kerikiao Augusto rete voice nera ri uchko abugi toro sigento gaiga gose anyarebe enchu na enchu to ikaranse gaiga toro sie kiombe ketega kegotosira una producers to konyan until when we have that mentality I think bado ntuwate a long way as Gusi creatives because naona sabasani I see that okonyoro monto because I see them okonyoro monto musani kete kurwa ogo produce kurwa se produce no yonde kurwa ogo produce kurwa se produce babu ate beef etabu ati origin kokoligi ngaye beef echagerete teyo kuko chakwanyoranga abantu aba egento bakobuna fame yoyo eagechi yoyo ng'aki amanyikaine kombua tegwenereti ninche ngwente kumanyikana kumubua
si kila mtu ujipigania
natang'ana gotebekio abasania bange bakwirwanirira banyore nibo baebe ekasi but nawe egento kegotoita nendamwamu endamokorri ende guse kiasimigetu asaba gusi akandamwamu nkaronyora ukwangana akandamwamu karororo kali natural tari guse kakuba created because of something me I've seen I'm saying this because I've seen kali very natural kwanyora omonto chire Dr. B lakini mosanigete tikando for example bono no mosani ochire kumburi lakini ratai na kia gotera iga egento nkiro kumubekera ntaitombeekere na inche ntaitemubue ntatemoro kinga muziki ulio yo gwente kobaiga unajua sasa unaanza kufikiria imeane na cha kuibuli bono kisu inere kisi na injutere kiao na ebwirwanirire abantu bakoigu let the fans decide naki nyarebe ngotera ari buya nyarebe na gwente gokoraki comment na ndi ngwanja ndi bantu kuna babo antivirus chi platform babwate na bakoreta ari bakwanikira abantu bagoteya tharani ngaye kara irangora gosaye menta gotera gete menta and I like that if we embrace such kind of things to listen more from the fans than co-create beef within us, it will help us.
So this goes to musicians and the producers. Go mtobwati self-criticism. Because many times, you've mentioned mosanigocha the intention yokobwanya lebe.
Sure.
And I think from my own point of view, this has never worked. Because in Sagoja, Bunabono and Jantebe, Bunabono Truji in Jama video producer. Janta Jansen Tebengavono, I want to do Vintones Conase go shoot videos. He has in about the uniqueness, and I cannot achieve that because in the uniqueness, and that's why we have even on your Chigari, Nairobi, we have Bas Nyingasana, but you choose one. Because of their uniqueness. Anyway, we have this platform. Konya was a manitole. I hope with time people are understanding.
Yeah, true.
I'll mention from our perspective as video producers and events for the past I think 2019 and we are 2021. We formed that group. There are people back on your event and to get you a company now.
Yeah.
Nando mongwano na nega si ngakali. Era ba ko monyoro muinari ba muruka makibono kuntu.
Yeah.
So we had we formed a group. We were around 6 people. So they were no. I go on your legacy to the twins.
Yeah.
Because we expertise your word, I need it.
True.
Jang konyora, we go. For I think we've worked well for a while, and that thing as we've grown. It's a challenge.
Yeah. I think you can take it much and nige and say me audio. Get a coin. Ngetokonye sana. Ngetokonye. I think they were mentioned it. Nko endandi ndara kirali naindi.
Yes.
Because I think case cover iko ase audio sector by the nabakonya watu akinire because naenda okoligereri. Onye buna kwa kwandriyo. Igobona iminiting ano ena magoli. Magoli ino they are uniform.
Tukambiana. The only thing, anyway, I can say this because I was at the core of making it. Cost of production should be the same.
Ere uniform.
Yeah. So when you go from cost of production, ere 20,000. I need a faida 2 million. That's up to you.
Yeah.
But cost of bare minimum. Cost of production. So the word the piava and the band is car, abanyawara
na barabwa bugata magolia
bwata yabo so gasi yo gusaba go 30,000 yo muntu ndo usaba 5 ono watigara kweboli 5 ni chie camera transport you fail to understand.
That is one challenge to go and go to address na into. I think I will borrow that and I will share it across our discussions as producers. Because the bogo ikaransa bono tote unanche, for example, nchaji ko tera 10,000.
Yes.
Korosi a beat to record. Nko bekere maybe background voices if necessary na bintu gete at 10,000.
Yes.
Kwa makonyoro omosani ochire koko mote 10,000 ko charge magote ai osabe chino ni produce nyarebe kako saba 5,000 echia inga kiuli goroiga unajua bono mpaka gwasi obu maina banongonte nje bono nanyorete iga kero montante biringa nyarebe saba namote no bwate namba ya by the way namba ya timbugati kagoitaba namote mo akirengo tete mo buri gento kagwa kire produce ye namobori ya bwana irengo gochugwa korro kotera ukwana to igwete twensi ngakirende ngakinyare bagoteba ngane chiri bubero gosaba gotera bwana njengo sigete manyete ntani gosaba paso unajua kitu kama hiyo. It has like the major thing get affected as audio producers is the pricing. We don't have a uniform price and thus bona bakonyoro muntu nabataite okoregasi na Dr. BP lakini anyora Dr. Biga irigo iria irikari gorali e alternative nere iga producer na role gose ngai ogosaba 3,000 na inchengo saba 10,000 umuntu mnyaka
uche and that's 3,000 expect kazi ya 10k.
That is the point
and that's the problem.
After 2-3 days umuntu chote abo mate Dr. Bina agenda asigete nkarekodi ogotero konkorango kipi naende na West Richibe so tangi kuanja nkoligeri unajua bono kwa nyoro monto failure. So I think I will borrow that and I urge other producers bategerete ko sebagerete program wega.
I look for another day to meranega with some of your colleagues na ni ndundora ke nyara but that click na gotebi to bwate.
Is it working?
We are around we've added a number of people. Says we are around 10 yiga kero isego sibona bono sego sabe quotation ya video sine video ya nyangi price range ya ito will be plus or 10 plus or minus 10,000 it's almost the same teli ntambe mono because we agreed
aka agreement inkari karo
kamera ko haya ni chiba serenga nyebekere chiba chiaye
ever uniform
labor yoko tinali ko bwate kambi ko sto ko ira kamera nyetiga ile engage moko beka pesa gete then editing onye ne video mondo edit video video 1 hour long chiba chiaye so this brings the cost of production to a level yenye ngisako koboli pona kerongo can you give me quarterly ngwe kana tanali kana ngiata gete anataka picha live stream anataka video anataka flash mbili tualika kwa kazali at the bottom line this figure is the same across board
ono muntu na chaka kaiga so akoboli naenda agende mwa vinta agende mwa Lois ligo yako nyole the same.
It's almost the same bebe engineer ya kabanga depending upon njale kulia that day the difference is not that much
around there. Ono yani rende faida ya oyelituko but these are things are uniform and that makes it
but we still have that problem not into video producers but bosonge I have another group they are around 150 no actually the last time I checked they were around 170
video producers.
Yes. Let me just check on my phone.
Because audio producers, we need to work. About the
166 members. Abum agreed because a group. 166. There are others who are not there, but I know you kiss it within Kisi town.
Maybe also Kakega.
But generally within Kisii, there might be around, if we say 200 plus.
Yeah.
Ona sabo roche abantu boka mwagirieti you are around 10.
10.
So that's still a negligible number. Karo
Lakini-
tukungana ne field we still have that problem ya pricing.
Lakini my brother usekoligeriende iwantebiri. Namo ba 10 in this group ya ya 10 people. Igento mwabegete kiabere mwarore nganko wakikere.
Yes, to us it's working.
It's a matter of selling it.
Abantu we try to sell it to them. Ono man ande ncharango chire ya.
I know, incharero
Ncharango chire
nero.
ya determine.
What I tell people, incharero te koera. Una get. Ekere tali koera. What you do, igentongere ku branding. And knowing your value.
Yes.
Kwa korire ga sawa konyo go saba 5,000 taliba. Abantu banjire gasi you have a collection of clients abantu each client no intend bali orishwa ngoyo kera gwate gasi ninja gora. Now can you brand yourself?
Yes.
Tira bono nchwele voteba ngayaya ebintu bya chenchiri. Bono na chiri gaiga. We just need that.
Na se package yao tuma to tiro tar komenta kende.
Sure.
Tell you bantu na mentro nyene gento ketega on the new prices. Yes.
Chikamera nchi atira ligoli. Kamera bono ilia nina nyorete renkake. Bono nkonyora chikamera chire igoro bono into. Igento uneki at least abantu tokine. That's what we need in Kisii. We just need to embrace growth. I have
By the way, do you have fianga yango kurere gasi?
igento kinki get Congo sanje personally.
Yeah.
Lakini ekarona ategerera binte bingi bire AI. Nkanyoranga bado ntole mirimo.
Okay.
Because AI ngokorere gasi bwango. Naende yakwa kuligire ko twara ubu creativeness gete. Lakini bono boko bowieka ina across all those nini.
Yeah.
You will tell it to compose a song for you about something. I will tell it to do the same thing. Kwanyora, we had almost the same tune, almost the same instruments,
Lyrics.
almost the same lyrics. So yanyoranga gochakira abu chimotu. Dr. Binaso getio gotera, arafu ko igu yondinga, Vinto naso getio gotera. Ko gotegera matera ayabire, kwanyoranga matera aya. Nakibona tu ara resemblance ya korreki ya ligiri kobaro. That's the challenge of AI because bonita te reason uno monto. Maite bono buna tete bono buna example Bernard Riziki. Ne country artist tariba. When you listen his songs, they have the same structure. Kuruwa tero utangani kogenda. That is his identity. AI nero nebu ata identity AI. Kwaro. So identity ya ke tumeka bona abantu ngochaka bali ko kumanyanga nona bali batamanyite agotegera gotebyo Mungu ana kwangainire ine ya uyitali ai. And so that gives us comforting bado tutakuwa kwa kazi.
Is it helping you better your music production?
Positively, AI is a nice additive. More so as again to go mastering. Mixing, mastering. Chi ideas gete buna bono maite na boranya na bono aino musani gwachire to akarecord gwatero komo gwatere ryo yelimo na commentary elimo lakini bono ko gwategera goko boli AI yenko banga naye ngaki kwenge okora yabe ke bintu gete gwateba kanta kakangokiri kwa karusi kwa menta so gotera kori. That is a very positive addition. Mixing na mastering ngo challenge most audio producers ogotero gwaso ko kuyapi abantu bagwancha lakini ekero gotegera professionally kwanyoro gotero ko distortion nera gosege nto getenkira iga gitasoge tibija gosomonto yachita kabeka auto tune eka tere eriugiria endibete lakini wono kwanyoranga AI ngochire yari kikorongeani yako ya idea ngaiga rusi auto tune tumia pitch correction gosege nto gete at least as a producer kwanyoranga yakoreki ya improve your production skill and level. So that's for me that's the positive part. Again to kero kinkelinga abanta bange mbata ko yeminyokera. And for some time na watora luzi gasi umaete ali onye konye tora bwata mizizi buya abagonyo akogo tugutemeremo because most of these artists ba kolani gotumye gento keri na banyora bange babiri own producers nyumba. Muntu akobeka igota ba ngoch komanya kwanza ile generiani obeka kintu yokakora ne video yako ndali bas but for us producers it's a positive addition, and even for artists noemba liba taramanya songwriting na umuntu akoye prompt yalingandikira watero igoro ya nyagosira nyarebe attributes chia energy yako likira yako ane tune ya watch studio producer ndo selling gogotere tune inge twakora hiyo. Yeah.
Anyway, sawa. Thank you so much for your time. Nara koligiri. No, but I want you to come back for another session, especially in commercialization of music.
Okay.
Because the material is billions of songs, but the commercial aspect, to the metal na Vinto, we didn't really fully finish the talk, and I will want to ask him. Nimate is watching. And I also want other producers. Music is a good employer, especially to the youth.
Sure.
Yes, and then go to Lizera and Koro, and we want to see Kisii as a community grow.
True.
They are to call it out for today, and I've been your host, Nyaswabu. This is weekly Uncensored show, and Uncensored dose. We say it as it is.
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to having you again.
Asante.
Thank you for coming.
Asante.
Tualenge na Dr. B anatibu muziki.
Kabisa.
Yes, so Nyakobwato Audio, Tate Korosi is the guy for the job.
Yeah.
Tate go pass my sincere gratitude to Baraka Studios, Yokoba, our host, and also Urban Click. In one way or the other. See you some other time.
Inshallah. Nimeshukuru sana.